Asking for a raise can be terrifying, but what if we could practice without the real world consequences like getting fired? Well, that's exactly what we built with LemonSlice and LiveKit. Now, LemonSlice brings real time interactive avatars to LiveKit voice agents. There are many different character styles that you can choose from as well, even some really cute ones. And so in this demo, you'll get a full conversation with an AI boss that you can see. It reacts to what you say and gives you real-time coaching on your negotiation skills. Let me show you. Let's start out with an easy one.
Hello, I'm really glad you could meet with me today. I want to create an open atmosphere for our discussion. How are you feeling about your current role? And what would you like to talk about regarding your growth and compensation?
Yeah, I think, my alarm goes off every morning and most days I get out of bed and get to work. And so I just feel like I really should get a raise for like showing up most days.
I appreciate your honesty about how you're feeling. It's great that you show up every day and commit to your work. However, I'm curious to hear more about what specific contributions you've made that you believe support your request for a raise. Can you share some examples of your achievements or the impact your work has had on the team or the company? That would really help me understand your position better.
Mm, no, not really. Can you tell me how I'm doing so far?
You're doing well in expressing your feelings, which is important in a negotiation. However, when it comes to making a compelling case for a raise, it's crucial to provide specific examples of your contributions. Right now, your approach feels a bit tentative. Phrases like I really should or most days may come off as lacking confidence. Instead, aim for stronger statements like I've been consistently meeting my targets, or my contributions include specific projects that improved our team's performance.
Very good. So there are three levels of bosses. And so if you can get a raise from this final boss, you're a legend.
I only have a few minutes, so let's get straight to it. What do you need? Make it quick.
I'd like to get a raise.
Of course you would, but why do you deserve it?
Yeah, so I get out of bed every day, I get to work, I do my job.
That's not enough. I show up and I do my job aren't compelling reasons.
Yeah, yeah. So I did this thing with this company and I made the company like $1 billion. And so yeah, I should probably get some of that money.
$1 billion? That sounds pretty exaggerated. Stop beating around the bush. Prove it to me. Otherwise, it's just a big claim with no backing.
All right. How do you think I'm doing so far?
You've got some serious work to do. First off, you were way too vague. Saying you do your job and get out of bed doesn't cut it. It lacks confidence and sounds defensive. You need to stop with the filler words like yeah and so. You spend too much time rambling without getting to the point, and that doesn't instill any confidence in your argument.
All right, so this demo is live. Go check it out and let us know what you think. And if you want to create your own voice AI agent with a cool avatar, go check out the source code. Both are linked in the video description.